So in the next couple of lessons, we're going to try and actually display some Chuck Norris jokes on the homepage. So I'm just going to try and change this page right here from being the simple page right now to clicking this button and showing a Chuck Norris random joke right here. But remember, sometimes it's good to get a joke here and there, because if you don't, your brain will melt down with all of this crazy Angular / Ionic stuff. So what we're going to do is we're going to try and use the Chuck Norris jokes API. Yes, it exists, and you guys can go and grab it because it's free. Yeehaw! What we are going to do is we're going to try and run a request like this, a GET request. Now we will get back to requests and figure out how that works, but right now you can actually in your browser write something like this: HTTPS API Chuck Norris random jokes. I did that right here. You can do refresh and you'll get a category, an icon URL if you want to show an icon. That's probably just an avatar for Chuck Norris. There it is. And then you can actually get the actual joke right here. Chuck Norris doesn't pair program. It's true. I like it because it's true. Okay, so now we have the button here, but how do we actually make something happen when we click the button? Well, you guys should have figured that out because it's a click event. And then we'll say get joke, that's just a function, and then we'll just put in the name. So when we click this button now, we want to get a joke. We want to get a Chuck Norris joke. So what we're going to do is we're going to now in the home page component here, we're going to create that function. So now we can do this. And let's just console log this guy so we can actually just slowly progress here and slowly build this application get joke. So I'll just write a text right here that I want to get the joke. So here what you're doing is I added a click event to the button. So when I click the button now, I want to go and get a joke. Now we're not going to get a joke this lesson. We're just going to kind of show that it works. So clicking here, I'll just clear my console down here. Clicking, get joke, clicking, get another joke, clicking, get joke, right? So the click event works. When I'm clicking the button now, I'm console logging or printing this to my console inside Chrome. Sweet. Now we just need to have to figure out how do we actually get the joke and work with the joke. Well, that's for the next lesson. Now you guys just saw the click event, getting the joke, calling a function, and just made that on your own. Maybe used one of the other APIs, but still, that's how you write a function. See you in the next lesson.